welcome to Bandung.
This part of the world, Bandung, in West Java, used to be like the favoured place for the Dutch colonialists to come. This was like their retreat. They'd have their vacations here. They'd have all their plantations, the coffee and tea plantations around here, and it was a nice temperature for them. So they used to come here a lot. But then, after independence in 1945, rapid urbanisation of this city, resulting in overcrowding, cramped housing, flooding, and the traffic problems that you get in all Indonesian cities. But this is Bandung. Let's see if Celine knows anything more about this city.
It has 11 million inhabitants. It's known as the capital of West Java. It has a cooler temperature year round, more so than other places in Indonesia, and it's surrounded by volcanoes.
And I know one of the facts. It was called by the Dutch Paris van Java, the Paris of Java. Not true now.
Reaching.
What's this hotel called that I was staying at?
Bellevue.
Bellevue. It's about £40 for one night. It's actually all right, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a nice hotel.
It's all right.
Yeah,
Nice. Nice pool area. Bandung. So we're about to go out and see the sights, and there are a few things to see. A forest, a monument, a Dutch colonial building, and a mosque.
Happy with that.
Let's go. Right, here we are. We've got like a 20-minute walk to this forest in the middle of the city. Let's see if we can get there. Down that street there. But already we're seeing the sights of Bandung. What is it? A beautiful Javanese river. Right, look at this. This is the traffic issues you've got. This just could be any Indonesian city. Completely the same. All of them are identical virtually. So this is where we've come. Pentan Babakan Silwangi. I think it's
Let's go and explore Silwangi.
Silwangi. It's like an urban forest. Here we are. Let's see what this is about. Looks suitably tropical. So you can get some food before you go on trekking along these upper levels. Geelong. The forest football pitch. What's your verdict on this, Silwangi? Popular with the
I
locals.
can say I've never been anywhere like this before. Yeah, it's very popular. It's quite chilled out, isn't it? Oh, this looks like a good walk over here.
It's actually really nice that they've got this area just within the city, so you can evade all of the traffic and the fumes. Yeah, good. Good on Bandung. Someone been murdered. Fruit. Jackfruit maybe? All the way up there. Fruits of the forest, definitely. Look how steep this is. I'm gonna... Well done. Do you know what they remind me of? Like a reggae dreadlock person. What do you think?
For some reason it reminds me of like Christmas decorations or something.
Look at these statues. Why are they just here? Those statues are my favourite statues I've ever seen. Do you know what?
Massive boobs.
I was just thinking of the colour and the shading of it. Absolutely amazing statues. Love them. I want one of them. Bamboo everywhere. Huge. Right, we're nearing the exit. And now we're going to head to a monument. A large monument. Just passing a fancy mosque. Look at that. Dome and minarets. So what's this then?
It's the West Java People Struggle Monument. It's shaped like bamboo, which women used to cut the placenta when they had a baby, because a tool called a penis or something like that. They used to cut the placenta when they have a baby, and this tool was also used to circumcise baby boys. And it also has had 281 names of volunteers that died during the coronavirus pandemic added to it.
Celine's a big fan of the bas relief.
Yeah.
Yep, I see it, you spotted it. Here we go. Indonesian history, chronicled like this. I think these two are the people on the front of the 100,000 note. We're getting a bit wet. Look, it started.
It's nice because it's like cooling me down.
Right, now we're going to go and head to a old Dutch colonial building. Oh, there's nowhere to take shelter. Is that sheltered? Are you standing in a corner? Ugh. Damn you, clouds! Damn you! So that's where we were, that monument, and now we've just come to this monument. Is this the monument we should have been looking at?
This one has got names on it, Jason.
Let's have a look. So yeah, I think these are the names of the health professionals and volunteers who died during the coronavirus outbreak. What do you think of it? It reminds me, bizarrely, of cheese.
I like the gold lettering that they've used for the people's names. That's nice.
So that's where we're going. Gedung Sate. Got a crossover here. It's an old Dutch colonial building built in the 1920s. It looks amazing from what I can see already. And here it is. Gedung Sate. Apparently the roof is meant to resemble a satay. Maybe that pinnacle bit. Yeah, I can sort of see it. Like a chicken satay. So this was the seat of the Dutch East India Company. This is where they had their headquarters. Built in the 1920s. You can definitely see the Dutch influence. What's going on?
Jadi Bandung community atau ya luar biasa Bandung juga kalau di jalan juga supaya aman ya, dan pada saat
it's nice and quiet around this bit, isn't it? So what do you think of Bandung then so far?
Yeah, I like it so far.
Would you recommend it to someone to travel here?
For a day trip,
Yeah. Hello. Thinks I've got food. I haven't got any food, I'm sorry. But you've got a McDonald's carton over there. You ready to see a mosque?
Yep.
You sure? Well, this is what we've traipsed for. The Huzdai Mosque. Massive minaret. Look at that speaker ready to blast out the call to prayer. It's looking better from here. This looks quite nice. Nice stained glass window over there. It's taking advantage of the slickness. So that's it, our quick fire tour of Bandung.
Bandung done.
Bandung done. And we came here on the Whoosh train. That's recommended.
Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh.
That's what they say. So see you next time. Probably from a sky bar in this very city. See you later.